Hey guys, it's your girl Nuru. We are back in the kitchen, and today I'm going to give you a short video on how I start my green banana flour. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. So we have some peeled green bananas. I know they're tiny, but they were free 99, so we are going to use them. And your girl loves dumplings. So, any chance I get to not have to use regular flour, because a moment on the lips, a lifetime on these hips. So, what we're going to do first is I'm going to cut them up into as uniform slices as I can, and then I'll show you when I'm getting ready to put them in the dehydrator. So, this is just going to be a small batch, so this is going to be a short one, guys. Stay tuned. So I'm dicing them up uniformly. It's really simple and quick and easy when you have a dehydrator. I got this dehydrator at a thrift store when I still lived in New York many years ago, at least about 7-8 years ago, and it has done me wonders. You don't have to always get things brand new. I'm into thrifting. I'm into furniture rehabbing, zhuzhing it up, if you will. Take a different look on some old furniture you might have and make a new look. This is my mother's apron I'm wearing. Reuse, reduce. How many of you guys out there love to thrift? Let me know in the comments. You can get some really nice things thrifting. It's easier on the pockets, less waste in the landfill. And if you love green banana porridge, or you use green banana flour or any other like cassava flour or those things, let me know too. Lately, I've been craving green banana porridge, so every chance I get, I'm either making it, or if I'm making food and I have ground provisions, I'll put that in there too. Alright, so we're running out of room on our board. So we definitely won't need all 5 of the trays for the dehydrator. So I'll let you know how many we end up using. So we used 3 of the trays. Didn't stack them too close because it's not a lot. Now we're going to put the cover on. set it to 13 hours, 160 degrees, and that's it. See it in 13 hours. I'll let you guys know in the next video how it went. So this is what they look like. My hands are clean. This is what they look like. So we're gonna take them and put them in the blender and pulverize them. Stay tuned, guys. Just a quick video wrapping it up. This is how they look in the blender. Getting ready to cover it up. We're gonna blend them on high. So you see, guys, we got less than 2 cups. It wasn't a lot of bananas, but I just wanted to use them. I didn't want them to go bad, as we tried to waste not, want not. All right, so that's it. It says you can store it in a cool, dry place. Me personally, I'm going to store it in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. So that's it. Green banana flour. Stay sweet and walk in light. Peace.